When you invest in a girl's education, she feeds herself, her family, her children and her nation too. जिसने भी कही है बहुत सही बात कही है कि जब घर में एक लड़की पढ़ती है तो वो न सिर्फ खुद को बल्कि अपने परिवार को, समाज को और देश को भी उन्नति की ओर ले जाती है। इसी बात के साथ आज हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर रही है बहुत बड़े बड़े सपनों के साथ डैडीज लिटिल गर्ल। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू दिया। हेलो दिया, हाउ आर यू?
Hello ma'am, I'm fine.
So Diya, tell us something about yourself and your family.
Ma'am, I'm a 11th class medical student of Jait Convent School. I have a joint family, but in my personal family, I have a father, mother and one sibling with me.
Okay. So Diya, who decided it? It was you or your family that Jait Convent School में आपको admission लेना चाहिए and Jait Convent के साथ आपको continue करना चाहिए?
Ma'am, actually it was a collective decision of my parents as well as mine. But during my first year of my education in Jait Convent School, I personally realized that I really want to continue my study with Jait Convent School only.
Okay, so I really experienced that and I feel it was very stressful time of Corona time. So studies के लिए भी बहुत impact पड़ा studies पर भी. So वो time कैसे आपने handle किया? How did you cope up and how did Jait Convent helped you during at that time?
Of course ma'am, that was so tough time for both students as well as teachers. But teachers really helped me so much. I was in 10th standard when Corona pandemic was there. And I was so pressurized by my teachers, my parents, relatives that it's your 10th class, you should focus on your studies. But when I shared my problem with my teachers, they really supported me. They said me only one thing, that just focus on your study. Don't listen to anyone, we are here with you, you should only study. And they provided us with online classes, study materials, doubt session, and with the help of my Jait family, I had scored merit in my 10th class and now I had continued my study of science with Jait only.
Okay, great. You shared with us, Diya, that you got merit in your 10th class. So how many time you spent on your study?
I used to spend 7 to 8 hours on my studies.
Okay. 7 to 8 hours, I think it's a long time. So इतना time आपने study पे लगाया, कभी stress feel नहीं हुआ?
Of course ma'am, normal है stress feel तो.
So stress को beat करने के लिए आपने क्या remedy अपनाई?
मैम, मैं games खेलना बहुत पसंद है मेरे को और I'm a handball player. I used to play handball and my school also helped me so much. They organized curricular activities. They motivated us to take part in them and all those.
Okay. So दिया, अगर आपसे कहा जाए, आपसे कोई स्टूडेंट मोटिवेशन चाहे, गाइड चाहे, हाउ आप उसे कैसे उसको इंस्पायर्ड करेंगे, क्या सजेशंस आप उसे देना पसंद करेंगे?
And first of all, we should do our work on time, be punctual, and the most important thing, consistency. That's the most important thing. And मैम also अगर हम एग्जाम्स के ड्यूरेशन में ही सिर्फ पढ़ाई करेंगे और throughout year we had studied nothing, then there will be no fruits. We will only face difficulties and after all this, and I have learned all this from my Jait school.
So अगर हम आपसे पूछें about the features of Jait Convent School that really helped you to develop on your personality.
मैम वैसे तो Jait Convent School मेरे लिए बहुत बेस्ट है हर एक फील्ड में, but some of the features that I liked most, I would like to share them with you. Like conduction of weekly test. वीकली टेस्ट मैम रेगुलरली कंडक्ट होते हैं थ्रू आउट द ईयर, जो हमारी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करने में हेल्प करते हैं, हमारी हैंड राइटिंग को इम्प्रूव करते हैं, जो हमें बहुत हेल्प करता है एग्ज़ाम्स टाइम में. हमें कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं होता अबाउट प्रिपरेशन और ये भी कोई टेंशन नहीं होता कि अगर एग्ज़ाम कंप्लीट हो पाएगा टाइम पे, नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल फ्री माइंडली एग्ज़ाम अटैम्प्ट करते हैं मैम. एंड सेकेंडली आई एम अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स. Jait really helped me with foundation course test series. They conducted this series on Sunday, which helped me to attempt more questions and be more practiced for my exams. And also one thing, discipline. Studying with discipline is the best thing that I had learned only in Jait school. I had not seen anywhere else. And ma'am, also one thing I would like to share with you.
Yeah, sure.
From my personal sharing, it's that I have learned that अगर आपको कोई एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन अगर आपको कोई अपने थॉट शेयर कर रहा है तो जो उससे जो आपको जो बेनिफिट होता है बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होता है मैम वो. और ऑल दिस आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल डायरेक्टर.
Yeah, it's true. Thank you, Diya. So motivation is most important for our life, चाहे वो student के लिए हो या जिंदगी जीने के लिए. And if you also want to take a good guideline, a right guideline from the experience, then there's one destination, and that is Jait Convent School.